I'm gonna show you 8 Japanese-inspired grooming hacks that will change your life. But why Japan? Well, it's because it's the only country that treats skincare almost like it's healthcare. They have the longest lifespan, lowest rates of adult acne, and a tradition of clean, ingredient-based grooming. The routines, they're not just trends, they're backed by science. And if you want to look as good as possible, these are some of the best hacks you will ever find. Starting with number 1, why you still have acne and don't know it. The reason you're still getting breakouts even after washing your face is because you have bacterial acne. When you just dry your face with a regular bath towel, you're re-spreading that acne-causing bacteria onto your skin. So you would think, okay, let me just let it air dry. No, that actually causes water evaporation to pull moisture away from your skin, drying out your skin even more, which leaves it prone to get reinfected again. The Japanese solution? Bro, it's so simple. Disposable clean face towels. Bro, you can get these on Amazon. They'll cost you like $5 to $10. You want to just use them once and then throw them out. Clean skin hygiene. And I know a few might think, well, I could just use paper towels. You don't want to do that. Those are too rough, and when you rub your skin, those will cause micro tears. And you guessed it, once that skin opens up, bacteria causing acne is very easy to penetrate. So just swapping for clean disposable towels could eliminate your acne problems overall. It's truly that simple. Some of the best grooming techniques you can do for the low, or simply if you just understand how your skin and how your body works. And that's why these Japanese grooming hacks, they're life-changing, and why I have 7 more left that I want you to try. Like number 2, dry brushing makes you smell better.
More sometimes strange anti-aging tips I learned from my Japanese mom: dry brushing. Dry brushing is literally sweeping a bristled brush across the body from head to toe. It's used in Ayurvedic medicine and many cultures, including Japanese.
I've been doing this for about 6 months. It truly is life-changing. Right before the shower, I want you to grab a small bristle brush. Again, they're very affordable on Amazon. And I want you to just sweep it across your entire body. You want to start from the top to the bottom, and you want to do it in long strokes. According to Japanese and Ayurvedic practices, this not only removes all the dead skin from your body, but it also boosts blood circulation. These dead skin cells are called skin squams and can actually feed odor-causing bacteria like Corynebacterium, which means that even after you shower, that leftovers can keep producing like that weird off smell until it's officially removed. Dry brushing will get rid of that old skin layer so your sweat has nowhere to hide. And the scent, it never builds up. But here's the best part of this. You're gonna notice an instant glow. After just 1 session of me doing this, your skin starts to feel insanely soft because you're micro exfoliating right before every shower. Tip number 3, you're going to stop hair loss with a comb. Most guys will start using minoxidil and finasteride to try to stop hair loss, not knowing you could do it naturally with a wooden comb. In Japan, there is a technique where they infuse their combs with oil, an everyday boring grooming habit of combing your hair, into active hair care. First, I want you to buy a wooden comb from Amazon. Again, these are like $2. It cannot be plastic because the wood will help distribute the oil through your hair strands and into your hair scalp. Step 2, I want you to take your favorite hair oils that are meant for hair loss. This could be your argan oil, your castor oil, and your rosemary oil. You're gonna pour them in a bowl and dump the wooden comb inside and let it sit there for 24 hours so the comb absorbs the oils. Now, if this is too much work for you, there are simpler solutions. For example, I've showed you previously what I use on a daily basis is my Bomme's Scalp Serum, which combines Sakabi jojoba oil and fermented green tea, all with a built-in applicator. So it's all clean. I don't have to do all these steps. And it's scientifically backed to help my scalp grow new hair. Now, step 3, you want to take out the comb and you're gonna use this comb daily. As you brush, the oils gently release onto your scalp, stimulating blood flow and delivering the nutrients evenly. This covers the outside layer of your hair. But if hair loss is actually a concern for you, you need a full system. This is only just step 1, and that's why I've always recommended Bomme's Ritual Kit, which is a 3-part system. You have to take care of the inside first with supplements. They have their Root Renewal Supplements that gives your body all the nutrients it needs to be able to grow hair. Then you have the outside, which is the scalp serum. That's exactly what you saw me apply and what I use daily. And then you have cleanse, or how you clean your hair. Bomme has a new plant-based shampoo that's specifically formulated for hair growth and scalp detox. This perfect combination was used in a 2022 clinical study. Men that were using Bomme's BLH308 complex saw improved scalp vitality and fuller hair in just 8 weeks of use. That's not hype, that is published data, and it's all using natural ingredients that doesn't have side effects. This is so good. We gifted 100 of our own followers on Instagram 3 months ago each one of these kits so they can use them themselves and see the results firsthand, but I want you to be part of this community as well. I use this daily because I'm not trying to lose my hair, and I don't want you to lose yours either. If you guys click the link down below, right now their 3-step system or their ritual set is at the lowest price you're ever gonna find it. We're hitting Black Friday, which means it's not only a great gift for you, it's a great gift for your dad, your uncle, anybody in your family that wants to save hair and do it the natural way that clinically works. Bomme's the way to go. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Tip number 4, lock in the wet look all day. If your hair is always sticking up, it's always frizzy, or if you notice that it looks better wet, your hair is not the root problem. It's how you're locking in the moisture into your hair that's causing all the frizz. So right after you shower, your hair is now fully hydrated, which is why it looks good wet. But once that water evaporates, with it goes all the hydration, and your hair is left harder and drier than before, which causes the messy look. So here's what you're gonna do instead. While your hair is still damp, I want you to apply 1 pump of leave-in conditioner. Think of it like lotion, but for your hair. What it'll do is it'll create a lightweight seal on each strand of your hair to trap the hydration inside the shaft of the hair. The result is that it's gonna look like you just came out of the shower all day long, but it won't be sticky and it won't be all wet. Instead, you'll just have soft, silky hair. Tip number 5, this cheap cream destroys all pimples.
Okay, when I went to Japan, this acne cream was super viral and
Yo, the lengths I had to go to research and find this cream, but your boy found it. That's incredible. Insane. Insane. I almost thought it was too good to be true until I saw the ingredients. One of the main ones being zinc. You see, in a study, 59.5% of patients that were on zinc therapy showed a 50% improvement on their acne. You can do this as well without having to go to Japan and buy the exact same cream by just going to your local store and go down the baby aisle. That's right. I want you to look for something called diaper cream, where the main ingredient will be zinc oxide. It's also the main ingredient in this viral cream that everyone keeps using. You see, zinc will kill off any Cutibacterium. This is the bacteria that causes those deep red breakouts, not just on your face, but also the body acne. Zinc will also calm inflammation, so that bump starts to disappear faster, which is why you saw the girl go from day 1 to day 3 and the bump almost being gone. So instead of buying a $30 spot cream, go and buy yourself a diaper cream that's like $5. I want you to dab a small amount either on your face or on your body, wherever you have the acne. Do that for 3 days straight and watch it visibly disappear in front of your eyes. And here's a bonus trick. If you refrigerate the diaper cream, every time you use it, it's gonna be cold, and that coldness will help with the inflammation as well. Tip number 6, eat the right foods to look more attractive. You need to stop washing your face thinking that it's gonna clear your skin. True clear skin starts in the gut. Japanese diets, they're built around hara hachibu, the idea that you should only eat until you're about 80% full. But what they eat is just as important as how they eat it. Here's the real Japanese protocol for clear skin, thicker hair, and lasting energy. First is miso. This is a fermented paste that they have in their miso soup, and it boosts gut bacteria. It also improves skin hydration and reduces inflammation. Second is seaweed, which is high in iodine and antioxidants. It supports thyroid health, which affects your hair growth. Third is purple sweet potatoes. These are heavy in their Okinawan diets, which is also home to the world's longest living people. Fourth is green tea with every meal. The polyphenols in green tea reduce oil production, which prevent breakouts. And fifth is your pickled veggies, such as your kimchi, which will flood your gut with good bacteria. And when your gut is healthy, so is your skin. Now, you don't need to change your entire diet to eat like the Japanese people, but picking 2 or 3 of these that you can add into your diet will drastically change your appearance. Tip number 7, how to smell good without deodorant, the Japanese way. Most people try to smell good, but from the outside. But to truly smell good, you need to start inside. In Japan and Korea, bro, some people don't even wear deodorant. And it's not because they don't sweat, but because they treat their body odor like gut health. The secret is an internal ingredient, specifically capsules that are made by chlorophyll, mint, and parsley extract. These ingredients, they work as natural deodorizers, but they work from the inside by neutralizing the odor-causing compounds that are inside your gut, which means no morning breath, less body odor, and less foot odor. So on top of taking a daily supplement that's made from these natural ingredients, I want you to take it a step further and do what perfume experts in Korea always follow. First, don't just apply to your skin. You want to lightly apply to your hair. Second, always carry a travel-sized bottle with you so you can re-up midday. Third, a solid cologne or a perfume balm is excellent to add to your pulse points midday to keep you smelling amazing without even trying. Tip number 8, you're gonna use rice to brighten your skin. If you want brighter skin without having to pay $70 for a glow serum, the real secret is in your kitchen with a bowl of rice. For centuries, Japanese women and Chinese women have been using rice water and honey to brighten their skin, fade any dark spots, and smooth out texture. And here's how you're gonna make it at home. You're gonna cook half a cup of white rice until it's nice and soft. Then you're gonna blend that half a cup with a tablespoon of honey and a little bit of water. And finally, while you're in the shower, I want you to apply the cream to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. And that's it. You do this twice a week and you're gonna immediately notice the color of your skin start to brighten and you're removing all sorts of hyperpigmentation and texture. These 8 hacks will completely change your grooming routine so you look as attractive as possible.